So here's the elderberry I was telling you about. There's a squirrel laughs at me behind. And the food for free book there. Use quite a lot of parts of the elderberry, the buds, flowers and berries, and you can make various different things out of it, cordial, fritters, so yeah, it's quite a versatile fruit and plant. And that's in the food for free book. If you'd like a chance to win the hardback version of that, then you just need to put a photo, a wildlife and nature photo, on your Instagram page with the hashtag ShowMeYourPhotoJB. Look, do you want to enter? If you do, put your own photo in, wherever you are. Yeah, so you should. Oh, you're up there, are you? Oh yeah, I can see him up there. Noisy beggar. Good morning everybody, and welcome to Wildlife and Nature Vlog number 14. It's quite cool this morning. I'm up a little bit earlier, but not by much. It's just gone 6 o'clock. And yeah, there's a real chill in the air. I'm also wearing my new hiking boots this morning. Thought I'd better start breaking them in. A word on those, because I'm going to be doing, or hopefully doing, more walks in the Lake District at height. I needed something a little bit more rugged than the fell running sort of trainer that I've been wearing. That I do like, I love them. Very comfy, very light. But yeah, I need something a bit more rugged. So I've gone for a leather Gore-Tex combo. It's a boot made by Scarpa, which I believe is footwear in Italian. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing this morning. Just found that eggshell. It's very white, quite big. Smaller than a hen's egg, obviously, but probably just about half the size. I need to check on that, find out what kind of bird would have that particular egg. If you know, then please leave a comment below. So yesterday I went out with the Nikon D7000, and I was just playing around with the settings, really, just getting used to how everything works, and doing a bit of landscape photography. Takes a lot of learning though. You've got a lot of things you've got to get right, and you make a lot of mistakes, which is why you have an SD card, because you can just click away and not worry about wasting film. So I did a lot of deleting rubbish photos yesterday afternoon, but what I will do is I'll show you the photos that I did take, and they're just coming up now. So I hope you like those. They're not too bad. Like I say, I'm only just getting started with this, so I have a lot to learn. But if you've got any advice or suggestions, then by all means leave a comment below. I went out again in the evening. Went out quite a lot yesterday. Yeah, I went out again in the evening, and we had some amazing sunsets over the fields looking back towards my apartment. Really nice sunsets. Not much else to report on though last night, but I did put the wildlife camera out. I put it in a completely new location. I put it overlooking the fallen log in the first sort of woodland as I leave my apartment and enter the woods. So it was just in there. I've just been and collected it. I had a quick look, All the bait had gone, and I put out quite a lot. All of it had gone, but there was 19 clips, but I can't see anything on the clips. So it's either a rat that I can't see because the screen's so small, or maybe a cat, I don't know, but all the bait had gone. So I'll be checking that when I get back, and if there's anything to report, I will bring it to you as always. Right, let's crack on around the meadows and see what else the morning brings. There's another plant bearing fruit, the hawthorn, starting to ripen up now. Once again, that's one that's in the Food for Free book, and that's alongside the blackberry, which of course is also featured on the front of the Food for Free book. Seem to be getting a lot of interruptions. There you go. Seem to be getting a lot of interruptions this morning from animals chirping in when I'm trying to explain stuff to you about Food for Free. Like the squirrel when we were looking at the elderberries, and now we've got the cockerel when I'm trying to explain about the hawthorn berries. You can probably hear that in the background, not slushing around. That's me walking through all the mud and the water in my hiking boots. But it's taken a little bit of time for me to get used to doing that, because I'm so used to going around in my mesh-like trail running shoes. I always avoid deep puddles or mud if I can. But now I've got these leather hiking boots on, I don't need to do that. So I can just plough straight through. But I've still been trying to avoid the puddles. So yeah, I need to get used to that. But they are very comfy. I just walked past the nesting box that the kestrels were in. I miss them. Seems like ages ago now that they left. I did mention in the previous video that I'd spotted the pheasant with its youngsters. Well, again, yesterday afternoon I was on my way back, and there they were, just inside the field. And yeah, there's four. One of them is the mother, but the youngsters are getting quite big now, so it was difficult to tell at a distance. But yesterday I could definitely see there was the mother and four youngsters. So again, that's good to see. And your final entry from the Food for Free book today is the rose hip. So we've done well today for Food for Free items. Again, another one with quite a few uses. If you'd like a copy of this book, there is a link in the description as always. It's a really good book and just fits in your pocket nice. But if you would like your own hardback version of this book, then you just need to send me your wildlife and nature photos by loading them onto your Instagram with the hashtag #ShowMeYourPhotoJB. And the photo I choose as being my favourite will win a copy of this book here, but in hardback version. So come on, get your entries in. Guess what I'm going to be planting next and growing? An acorn tree. tapping away. And I do know there is a specific tree just here that's been used before. So I'm just going to check it out. It's just flown up there. And it's just come from this tree, exactly where I thought. Come round here, you'll be able to see the hole. Don't know if you can see it for the sun. Just there. Might not be using the same hole, but I bet it is. Keep your eye on that. Some great bracket fungi there. I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that's subscribed to the channel. We're getting very close now to 11,600 subscribers, and a little bit closer to my target of 12,000 by the end of the year. So if you enjoy videos like this, then please click on the subscribe button below, and there'll be one at the end of the video. So just click on that and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on the next episode. And I really appreciate that. It really does make a difference. So yeah, please hit that subscribe button. We have some new residents today. Quite a lot of them. All the red markings. Jumping away. There is a really strong scent of fox around here. I wonder why. The wren's going crackers in there. Right, I think it's time we found out what triggered the wildlife camera last night. What do you think it's going to be? Will it be a rat, or a mouse, or a hedgehog, or a squirrel, or a fox? What's it going to be? Should we find out? So, well done to everybody that guessed hedgehog and mouse. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting it to be hedgehog up there on the log. I know they're quite good climbers, but you know, it's about waist height on me, that log. So yeah, I was quite surprised to see it. Right, well, that brings us to the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button at the end of the video. I really do appreciate your support, and please keep those comments coming, because I really enjoy reading those. So once again, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.